Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically send a voice note to somebody on Discord. Make sure you update your app first though on your phone. It only works on your phone, by the way. So just go to like a chat here, and then as you can see there is this microphone button, and you're simply going to press that and press OK, and you're just going to select hold to record and say something like hello. If you don't want to send it, you're just going to move it to the left to cancel, and if you want to lock it, you're going to move it up to lock, like so you don't have to like press it all the time. And once you're done, you're just going to press this delete button, or you're going to press the send button as you would to like send a voice note on your phone. Just going to delete it though. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!